Hi guys, so just want to talk about bits of this hair. I don't really like talking about hair when I do hair, just show the videos, but this one I just want to talk about it. So this lady came in and she's been doing interlocking right from time, and her hair is not a very strong hair. Even if your hair is strong, interlocking is really not a good method when you're tidying your hair up. So she's been doing interlocking, as you can see, it's thinned out and the hair have been breaking. So even when you look at the hair, it's not smooth. You can see some holes. And yeah, so the interlocking that she's been doing has been breaking her hair, and the hair is very weak, and most of them are thinning out. So I just had to convince her that interlocking is not really good for her hair. It breaks hair in general, and I just did retwist and styling for her. The only other alternative that would have been good for this hair would be crochet method, which is to crochet the hair and fill it in. Okay, but she just wanted it to be um retwist, and that was good. Thank you for watching and follow for more.